Hello students, welcome back to my channel Lightup Knowledge and very warm welcome to today's video. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video we will cover exclamatory sentences. This topic, exclamatory sentences, would be divided under two videos. This is part 1 where I'll explain the basic meaning. All these videos will be available under the playlist of sentences in English language. Now without any further ado, let's get started. Let's look at these examples here. I don't want to go to the beach. I don't want to go to the beach. So, do you see the difference between these two sentences? The first one and the second one, if you talk about the wordings, it's the same. But see the punctuation mark. The first ends up with a full stop, makes it a declarative one. That is, it's a declaration. The second one is said with more emphasis. It is said with an exclamation mark and therefore is an exclamatory sentence. Let's read it once again. I don't want to go to the beach. So, therefore, this punctuation, the exclamation, shows the feeling is a strong one. That is, the sentence is not just a statement. So, the difference between both of the sentences is that the second one has more feelings, more emphasis, and maybe it is said with more of a yell. You shouted and spoke it because you wanted to lay emphasis. So that is what an exclamation mark means. It contains feelings. What are exclamatory sentences? Exclamatory sentences expresses sudden emotions like surprise, delight, pain, grief, anger, disgust, etc. So the sentences which expresses sudden emotions, sudden feelings out of happiness, out of sadness, out of anger, out of disgust, etc. Have a look at these examples here. What a great movie it was. What a great movie it was. You speak it with emphasis. Buck up team. When you want to cheer up someone, you would say like that. One more point is that, so they are basically the type of sentences when you use in spoken exchanges. What happens is your pitch becomes a little higher and your voice become louder out of fear, happiness, surprise or disbelief. But in written English, an exclamatory mark is put to show that the sentence is exclamatory, otherwise the sentence would lose all its emotion. So human language has many devices to specify particular feelings and emotion, right? So in speech and in writing, there are different types of sentences to show those feelings and intentions, and those sentences exactly are exclamatory ones. The sentence's purpose is to show feelings. The strong feeling is communicated in writing through the use of an exclamation mark. Without the punctuation, the sentence would lose all the emotion, right? And on the contrary, in spoken English, your expression shows that it is an exclamatory one. Let's have some more examples. The first one is, what a fall it was. Your pitch became a bit grave, a bit sad. So that's why this expresses sadness. The second one is, how humane her response was. So you are very happy that the person was very humane. So how humane her response was. The next is, alas, she died so young, again expressing sadness. Next one is, may you be blessed with success. Now you are wishing someone. So therefore these sentences expresses sudden and strong emotions and feelings such as happiness, sadness, anger, surprise, etc. Let's read these two sentences. How well you know these people. How well you know these people. In this sentence, the comprehension is, first of all, it is an exclamation. So it is an exclamatory sentence, and therefore the person is saying to the second person that you really you are impressed that that person knows such and such people, etc. The second one is, how well do you know these people. So this is an interrogative sentence. So a minor change can transform an exclamatory sentence into an interrogative sentence. So how well do you know these people is an interrogative sentence and ending up with a question mark, and also has a helping verb do, right? So that is the basic difference that you should keep in mind. So yes guys, that was all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching it and you found it useful. Until we meet next time, keep learning and keep growing.